Welcome to UnlockResellers.com, the most trusted solution for phone unlocks and credits for tools like SIM Unlocker Pro, trusted by GSM professionals worldwide. In this video, we'll show you how to easily remove FRP on a Samsung A03s U, and the same method works for other MTK models like the A146U. First, download and install the SIM Unlocker Pro program. Log in with the username and password provided by us. Make sure the MTK drivers are installed on your PC before continuing. Now, press the FRP button in the software and confirm that you agree to deduct the required credits for the operation. Next, connect the phone powered off. If it's not detected right away, press and hold both volume buttons to force it into BROM mode. The FRP removal process will only take a few seconds. Quick, simple, and professional. Just like all our services, UnlockResellers.com, unlock with confidence.